Hey guys, welcome back to this episode on making money online. Last time I was talking about the design of a money-making website, specifically a data converter. And today I would like to implement this into our website. So we have here a converter PNG to JPEG, png to jpeg.com. It's actually a really simple website. I think the most complex functionality is here, but everything else is pretty good organized. You have here some more information. Yeah, but this is not especially necessary. It's very minimalistic. You have a little bit of explanation here. Maybe I need to add this also a little bit. And yeah, then I would like to transfer this into our website. Okay, so I gonna open it in a designer. I am using a tool I can highly recommend to you. It's the HTML What You See is What You Get drag and drop designer add-on made by Yogi Bear 9988. It's you can get it in VS Code. If you cannot find it, just write it in the comments. I can send it to you or write you the whole name. And with that, I can make a little wireframe of my website. And yeah, then this HTML, it generates HTML code. You can like drag and drop stuff in here. I don't know, I can put in stuff here and fill this out, blah blah. And then I would give this to AI and tell it, okay, make this more aesthetic, more modern looking, etc., etc. But I would use this HTML code as a prompt. So to kind of copy the structure of this website, I would first make a little text with explanation. Would use a div for this. Do we have a div here? Div with the class of explanation. And then here's my div. I would put it like this. Okay, and then we have here our div. Okay, so for the part of the converter, I would use this, and then in the first I would call the class converter field, and here I would define buttons, and I would put in some buttons. Save. And okay, let's see how he has done it. Okay. Put that down here. 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 Okay. Select files, clear, convert, save. So I will put another div here. And in this field, I would also put a field where you can drag your files in. And this, don't worry, this will not be the official website yet. This is only for the future prompt. So we will then give this HTML to an AI and say, make it look pretty, and maybe fill it with like some default values. Okay, I have now decided I will use yet another div. To have my files dropped in there. Okay, so I think it's recognizable what I'm trying to do here, I guess. Let's add class further explanation. We then need to check out what actually is here. But we have a div, the class file drop zone. We have select files, clear, convert, save. I think this is good for a prompt, but I will do this the next time. Thank you guys for watching. So keep in mind, you don't need to really invent a complex thing. Just need to solve a problem consistently and be really good at solving this problem. So probably if we have this PDF to PNG converter or otherwise, we would need to do everything around that. So convert multiple PNGs to a PDF. But I think I will write a little requirement specification the next time for this document specifically. So yeah.